first of all have to recognize what this is about. I mean, I don't know that Trump reads anything, but the people around him have read the autocrat's playbook. And this is, page by page, what the autocrat's playbook prescribes, which is, the way you deliberately try to undermine the checks and balances on executive power. And you do it, piece by piece. You don't attack frontally, but you pick off, one independent voice after the other. And we see Trump doing this, threatening a judge with impeachment, going after the law firms so people don't dare even bring a lawsuit. The universities as centers of independent thought are a key part of this. He's begun to go after some journalists with defamation suits. It's just a matter of time before he goes after civil society by accusing people of either supporting terrorism or being too political and losing their 501c3 status. This is all entirely predictable, and it's just what Viktor Orban did in Hungary. It's just what Erdogan does in Turkey. They're more advanced than Trump is. So I think it's important. There's some lessons we can learn from how this has been resisted, and there has been successful resistance in a number of countries. One is to put it in context. Don't play Trump's game of treating everything as if it's an isolated incident. The attack on Harvard is deliberately part of a much broader attack on the checks and balances on Trump's power, and which are essential for democracy. So we should be clear about what this is from the outset and describe it in those terms.